Thanks, so glad to be here. Let's start off with a simple joke. What did one gay sperm say to another? How do we find an egg in all of this shit? I don't know about you, but ice cream cones are a gay person's favorite dessert on a hot day. Do you know why I wasn't born in the Sunshine State? Because in Florida, there is no wise men. Or virgins. White Jesus, black Jesus, and gay Jesus walk into a bar. Then they said, ouch! Yes, I was traveling from Bethlehem to Nazareth, and my gay friend tells me, can I help you pack your shit? Sports enthusiasts have found the hardest part about rollerblading is telling your parents you're gay. Whenever I hear people say being gay is a choice, I'm like, nah. Maybe to you it's a choice because you're actually gay.
Tell me this, when did you decide to be straight?
How do you turn a regular bar into a gay bar? Turn the bar stools upside down. What's the difference between a gay man and a refrigerator? The fridge doesn't fart when you pull the meat out. My dad used to always warn me about anal. He would say, now son, this may hurt a bit. Thank you, you've been a great crowd. Today we shared a lot of jokes, and many of them were at the expense of my own community.
Humor can bring people together, but it's also important to remember something serious and meaningful. Research shows that a significant number of LGBTQ+ youth experience homelessness after coming out to their families. Some studies estimate that 20 to 40% of LGBTQ+ young people are forced to leave home or are kicked out after revealing their sexual orientation. If you are a young person being bullied, whether it's because of who you are or who you love, the color of your black or brown skin, please know that you are not alone. There are people who care and want to help.
One organization you can reach out to is theBULLYexposed.com, where support and resources are available for young people facing bullying or hardship. You deserve respect, safety, and the chance to grow into exactly who you are meant to be.
Thank you for watching.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!
Remember, true salvation is always in style.
Hail, gay Jesus!